In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Cloud API key using the Google Cloud Console. This is an essential task if you're looking to integrate Google Cloud services into your project. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial to secure the API key properly to ensure your application runs smoothly without unauthorized access. So, let's dive right in and see how this can be done. To begin, you need to head over to the Google Cloud Console. You can access this by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Cloud Console website. Once you're there, make sure you're on the correct project where you want the API key to be created. If you're not in the right project, you can easily switch between projects using the project selector found at the top of the page. Selecting the correct project is an important first step because the API key will be tied to this specific project and its resources. Now, let's move over to the side menu on the console. Here, you will see a variety of options, but for this task, you need to click on the section named APIs and Services. Once you're in this section, look for Credentials and click on it. This is where you'll manage all your keys and credentials for the project. Next, it's time to create the actual API key. You'll notice a button labeled Create Credentials on this page. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options provided, select API Key. This is where the magic happens. The Google Cloud Console will now automatically generate a new API key string for you. It only takes a couple of seconds, and voila, your new API key is ready. Make sure you copy this key and store it somewhere safe. It's like the key to your house. Anyone with it can access your project's resources, so you want to keep it secure. While having an API key is a powerful way to enable functionality in your applications, it's recommended to add some restrictions to it to enhance security. The console provides you various restriction methods like IP, referrer, or specifying which APIs the key can call. Setting these restrictions can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access. To set these, you can follow the instructions provided on the console right after the key is created. And there you have it. You've now created a Google Cloud API key securely. This key can be used in your application development to access Google Cloud services seamlessly. Remember to manage these keys responsibly and keep them secured and restricted to maintain the integrity of your projects. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.